if you're a 90s kid, it's impossible that you grew up without watching this film called Tumbin. And after what 15
years now.
a sequel has come in, and we have the cast here. Good to have you on Follow. Welcome to Follow.
Thank you.
Now that I have not introduced ourselves. Anyway, so I'll come to you. Of all people, you are the senior most among all of them, right?
Really?
That's a
How?
compliment.
How?
He started working pretty
I
early.
started working at the age of 14.
Your Choti Si love story of
So yeah, suddenly I can do that. Yeah. So
because we are talking about love stories, because there's so much of a love story. Tumbin is about a love. So I would just want to know your first love story, Choti Si love story.
Choti Si love story.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should tag it as a love story, but yeah, that was the name of the film. Yeah, happened 14 years back. Was an outstanding experience. A lot of things were spoken about it. A lot of things were shown about it, and was amazing.
Yeah. Did you guys know about this?
I didn't know he's so senior. Now I feel younger and nicer. But apart from that, I mean, Choti Si Love Story was a film that I don't know if I saw, but I remember it being everywhere. Because I remember I was a huge fan of Manisha, and of course that kid looked really freaky to me, not cute, because he was doing really crazy things in the movie. I remember that. I just didn't know that I would end up working with the same guy in a Badi Si Love Story soon. So it's a good experience.
No, she says you like to peek.
Freaky
guy, right? Yeah, you want to comment? Okay, I'll let him comment because you think his
dream role, and I loved what he did in the film. And I think मैं तो मतलब मैं इसके साथ अगर होता तो बहुत मजा आता. But मैंने जब देखी थी फिल्म तो मैं भी बहुत छोटा था.
नहीं तब तो अरमान
कमाल कर दिया.
नहीं, because the reason I ask you is because I believe you guys are the friends on the sets, and she's always left out. जिसके लिए गाली भी पड़ी है, जिसके लिए डांट पड़ी है, नहीं? किसी को इन दोनों को डांट पड़ी है.
अच्छा.
अभिनव सर ने डांटा.
मस्ती बहुत कर रहे थे.
मस्ती बहुत किया बेचारी लड़की.
अनुभव, not अभिनव.
अनुभव सर. Yes. Okay. हाँ. So बेचारी लड़की अकेली रो रही थी. She was feeling left out.
बोल दिया रो रही थी. ये सब गलत कहानियां है, पता है कि नहीं?
गुलाची.
ये बकवास की कहानियां हैं जो इनको मजा आता है कहने में. मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोई. मैं बहुत खुश थी कि they found love finally. You know, we were making a romantic film.
For each other.
They were doing some bromance on the side. So there was another kind of romance happening.
So Tumbin was all about them now.
आपको पता ही था?
तो मुझे डाउट होने लगा था कि मुझे लिया क्यों पिक्चर में. इनके ऊपर ही लव स्टोरी बना देते दोस्ताना. I mean Tumbin 2 को दोस्ताना 3 बोल देते.
नहीं यार, तुम भी अच्छा टाइटल है. और
I'll convey that to Anubhav sir.
No, coming to you actually, you know the first film. Obviously, this girl was the center point of the film. While you guys were around, I believe this point. Obviously, all of them are equally important, but it was a story that centered because 3 लड़के एक लड़की पे लड्डू थे. यहाँ पे भी same होने वाला है, I believe. ठीक है सर. Oh, he's got it. Okay, then he's taking my case now. ठीक है सर. Okay. So what's the scene here? I mean, do you like that attention that you get from 2 people?
Actually, it's not about them trying to woo me or anything. It's a very beautiful love story which becomes a bit complicated with 2 amazing choices that this girl has in the film. It's about making that right choice, and the confusion here is that both of them seem like the right choice. So what does she go with? Of course, it is about the woman's choice, and it is about, now that we talk about women empowerment, the woman takes that call as to who should she pick.
I like
so
that.
yeah, I like that.
She's actually made Tumbin into a woman empowerment story right away.
Yeah.
Look at that. The director never thought of it. I'm telling you.
Never.
No, but to be honest, there is about Tumbin. It teaches you a lot about life in the sense that it just sometimes life throws so many circumstances when you go through certain situations and you don't know what to do. But regardless of the situations, you need to be strong and you need to act in a way which you probably don't have any control over, and you need to make those right decisions. And the story is about love and the choices that we make, and about the people that we love. It's just a beautiful combination of all these things.
You are very sorted, guys. This is your first film, isn't it?
Yeah.
How are you so sorted and thoughtful?
Actually, ऐसा
Like
कुछ
very mature.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये तो बस इतने सारे
झूठ
इंटरव्यूज देख के
बोलता
ना
है
झूठ
वो.
बोलना में कुछ मैं सीख गया.
बोलता है.
There you go. So ये सब झूठ था. Okay, coming to love. I mean, I was watching an interview of hers that she did some time back. She said she had a crush on a co-star. कौन सा था भाई?
Why
बता
do
दिया
you
मेरे
why
कौन सा था भाई? नहीं नहीं.
मुझे
They
बहुत
would
अच्छा लगता है.
demand the answer now.
None of them.
So
Sorry,
duty.
sorry to disappoint both of you. But हाँ, I mean, for a tad bit, yeah.
कौन?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, क्यों बताऊं?
अरे?
ये कोई बात हुई?
The nation wants to know, man.
No, it's something that I want to keep